The 2012 Shelby Mustang GT500 is here. It's aluminum block 5.4 liter supercharged and intercooled V8, produces 550 horsepower and 510 foot-pounds of torque. This beautiful GT500 features a glossy black paint with stunning grabber blue racing stripes. Theme also continues on the inside. Black leather and grabber blue accents. It's a beautiful interior. First thing you see when you walk in is that SVT door still. This beautiful grabber blue accents on the seats. Hop on in. It does have the navigation, obviously. Let's start it. It is sync equipped. Traction control. Got your navigation here. You also can hook your phone up to it with the sync system. You can go back to your radio. Has your satellite radio here we're on now. And we can also go to your regular HD radio as well. AM, FM. So you got all your stations there. You've got your steering wheel controls here. Your cruise control settings. This car's only done 15.8 miles. It's brand new, right off the truck. Shaker audio system. Got little hints that that's not just a normal GT everywhere you go. A little Shelby logo there. The steering wheel. Even the seats have a little snake on it. Got the cover there. Your air extractor on the hood. Here you have the 5.4 liter supercharged and intercooled V8 engine. Powered by SVT. Now it puts out 550 horsepower and 510 foot-pounds of torque. Obviously brand new motor. Hand-built motor. That exhaust rumble. That's just idle. Take a quick walk around. It also comes with the optional electronics package, which includes navigation, HD and satellite radio with its Shaker 500 audio system. Other options include power windows, power locks, power driver's seat, 19-inch by 9.5 painted aluminum wheels, air conditioning aluminum hood with air extractor, the SVT tuned suspension, electronic power assist, a 3.55 limited slip, high performance tires. They're 255/40/19 in the front and 285/35/19 in the back. Brembo front brakes with 14-inch vented disc and calipers. Big brakes, big stopping power. Does have the tuned stainless steel exhaust with 4-inch tips. As well as the universal garage door opener, ABS and traction control, driver and passenger airbags, side airbags, SOS post-crash alert system, anti-theft, tire pressure monitoring system, and more. We are Brian Hoskins Ford, home of the One Dot Stop and Shop. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit us on the web at www.brianhoskinsford.com or give us a call 610-384-4242. Thank you.